मेरा बेटा ना मेरी हर बात मानता है.
Do you really respect your parents every time when you obey them? Or is it just coming out of fear or habit of listening to them? Hello everyone, I'm Shubhangi, your Rethinker Catalyst, and welcome back to my series, Rethinking Things from a Different POV, where I'll be giving you a stimulus to widen your perspective. Indian parents and in-laws love to govern their children's life, and all in the name of care. But let's be honest, more often than not, it feels like control. They grew up in a different time, with different struggles and resources, and they did best with what they had. And we respect that. But times have changed. Repeating everything exactly the way they used to do, is it even necessary anymore? I mean, अगर पेरेंट्स ने इन लॉज ने इतना स्ट्रगल किया है, वी डेफिनेटली फील यू एंड वी रिस्पेक्ट यू फॉर दैट, बट इज इट राइट to glorify those pains and struggle instead of actually questioning the why behind it? Parents often say, हमें 50 साल का experience है. But pause and think, is it really the 50 years of experience? Without much travel, exposure, or even being updated with the world, is it really the experience or the same kind of life lived 50 times over and over again? And if we do, even after 30-40 years, keep on doing the same things, same habits, same beliefs, same rules, तो आखिर 30-40 सालों में बदलाव क्या हुआ, ग्रोथ क्या हुई? Aren't we still the same that they used to be even after 30-40 years later? Didn't James Clear remind us in Atomic Habits that growth is not just about survival or repetition but evolution? So, ऐसे में क्या करें? छोड़ दें माँ बाप को? Of course not. रिमेंबर जब तुम छोटे थे तो कैसे उन्होंने तुम्हारा हाथ पकड़ के चलना सिखाया था, दुनिया की नई तमाम चीज़ों से इंट्रोड्यूस कराया. अब वही काम हम उनके लिए क्यों नहीं कर सकते? नाउ रीइमेजिन दिस माय बिलवेड रीथिंकर्स. व्हाट इफ हम उनके पास प्यार से बैठकर, उनका हाथ पकड़कर, उन्हें गले लगाकर, उन्हें हम अपनी बात समझाने की कोशिश करें. लेट्स टेल देम कि जब आपने हमें तब अकेला नहीं छोड़ा जब हम छोटे थे, तो हम आज की इस बदलती दुनिया में आपको पीछे कैसे रहने देंगे? अब आप चाहे खुश हो हमसे या नाराज हो, हम तो आपको इस बदलती दुनिया से अपडेटेड रखेंगे. Maybe the real respect that we can give to our parents is not obedience, but inviting them to evolve with us. Shouldn't we understand that saying no to your parents, politely declining their decisions, is not actually breaking love, but actually making it stronger? Because we are actually inviting them to grow with us. Isn't loving more than obeying just out of habit? स्वयं विचार कीजिए.